Have you ever pondered why a journey to a healthier lifestyle seems like an uphill battle? Welcome to One of One, the channel dedicated to empowering you in your quest for well-being. In a world of instant gratification, the pursuit of a healthy lifestyle can often seem daunting. The secret, however, lies not in quick fixes, but in the power of motivation. Recent studies and news articles have highlighted the vital role of motivation in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Take a recent article from Forward, for instance. It underscores the power of intrinsic motivation in the journey of weight loss. Instead of relying on external factors, the focus is on fostering a deep, internal desire to improve one's health. The idea is to set realistic goals, track food intake and exercise, and engage in positive self-talk. The creation of checklists, keeping a weight loss journal, and finding joy in activities and food can all contribute to sustained motivation. What's more, the article emphasizes the importance of a balance between exercise and diet, reminding us that the goal is to burn more calories than we consume. But the role of motivation extends beyond weight loss. Take, for example, a concept called dopamine fasting, discussed in a Business Insider article. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to pleasure and motivation, can influence our behaviors and even lead to addiction. By limiting dopamine-releasing activities and maintaining structured routines, we can boost our productivity and motivation, fostering personal growth. Let's also consider the importance of sleep, discussed in a recent CNN article. Chronic sleep deprivation can impair cognitive function, emotional regulation, and mood stability. Prioritizing sleep, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and creating a conducive sleep environment are key to our overall well-being. Lastly, we cannot ignore the importance of regular meals. HuffPost recently highlighted the negative effects of skipping lunch, such as a lowered metabolism, increased risk of nutrient deficiencies, and potential mood and energy level fluctuations. Listening to our body's hunger cues and prioritizing regular midday meals are crucial for maintaining optimal health and energy levels. In summary, motivation, in its many forms, plays a significant role in leading a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's through setting realistic weight loss goals, understanding the role of dopamine in our behaviors, prioritizing sleep, or ensuring regular meals, motivation is the driving force behind our actions. As we navigate the journey towards health, remember, the power lies within you. Here at One of One, we believe in your potential to create a healthier, more fulfilling life. Stay tuned for more insights into leading a healthier lifestyle. Until next time.